Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amber Sanders, and I hope you guys like my new hair. I had it cut today by my brother and coloured by his wife-to-be. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I just went with a bit of a trim and just a bit of a side sweep fringe. Anyway, as you've already guessed it, it is a Friday story time. Now, today's Friday story time is another kind of paranormal kind of thing that I had happen to me in my house. Now, at the time, I must have been about, I can't remember how old I was. I may have been about year 6, so I must have been about 11, maybe I would have was in year 7, so 11, 12, and I woke up in the middle of the night and I heard people talking downstairs in my kitchen, because the kitchen is just below my room. So I heard people talking, and I was like, right, who's awake at this time of night? Like, who would be awake? Who's even in the house right now? Of it, apart from my parents, but that's about it. I was like, they wouldn't be awake at this time. And I went and listened by the stairs, and it sounded like there was 2 men talking, saying that they were going to come upstairs, and then I heard laughing. So at this point I freaked out. So I was at the top of the stairs, and my parents' room is just by the top of the stairs. So I went in and I was like, Mum and Dad, like, you need to go downstairs. There's people in the house. Like, seriously, I can hear them downstairs, and they said they're coming up the stairs. So my dad gets up and goes downstairs and turns on all the lights, and nobody's there. And he came up and said to me, like, no one was down in the kitchen. And at this point I was like, what? And then I said, but I heard something fall as well. I heard something like a plastic bowl fall on the floor. And he said, well, there was a bowl on the floor, but there's nobody down there. They were like, you may have just been imagining it. The pole probably fell off the side. So yeah, to this day I still don't really understand what happened that night, and I don't think I ever will understand what happened that night. It still really confuses me to this day. Even my parents still think that it was just me imagining it, and I was just sleepwalking or something, and I was dreaming that it had happened and woke up mid-dream and thought that it was actually happening. But I swear I was awake when it happened and went to my parents' room scared, but nope. Still confuses me to this day. Now, I hope you enjoyed the story time today. And remember, guys, if you want to me to do any more videos to do with covers or anything, let me know down below what covers you want me to do and what songs. And also, if you want me to talk about anything in my story times that you want to know that's happened to me, like if you can think of something in your head that you want to know about me, then I'll do that for story time, or anything for Thursday vlogs that I can do. So yeah, remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and remember to hit that red button below to subscribe to my channel. And remember, guys, to subscribe to all the people in my subscription box below, and remember to be part of the hashtag Seasons of Love collab. And if you want to be a part of that collab, you just have to put up a video of you saying what your favourite season is and why, and say that I came up with the collab, and put my link in your description. And then you let me know as soon as your video is up, and I will put it on my collab list, and I'll be sure to mention you in one of my videos. So guys, remember to stay awesome and have a great evening or day wherever you may be. I love you guys so much.